What's up, fam?
What's going on with you, my
All
boy?
right, just hollering at the brothers out here. So let me get your name, your age, and where you from.
My name Aaron, AT. Folk call me Talk to Him Fat, back in the city. I'm 30 and I'm from Atlanta.
Oh shit. Okay, so what brings you out to Sydney, Australia?
Well, my girl, she just, I don't know what the hell she just ran off to, but
Oh, you're the redhead, right?
yeah. So we had met in Croatia, so she just got there and told me my birthday was just December 26th, so she was just like, before then, we met in August in Croatia. So she like, shit, just come out to Sydney one time, check it out, see how it is. So shit, I'm here.
Yeah, I've been in that situation a few times, man. You meet, you be in one country, but meet a girl from another country who ends up inviting you to another country.
For sure.
What can you tell us about travel as a young brother like yourself? Oh, what's up, my brother? Let's start off by first, how tall are you?
Okay, I have 21.
Oh,
So-
you're 21 years old?
Yeah.
Okay, how tall are you?
Oh, I think 6'3" or 6'2".
6'3" or 6'2"?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you from originally?
So I'm Malian, next to the Senegal, the Mali.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Where are you based at now?
So I'm from Paris, but I'm here with my cousins, my brother in Sydney. I'm just here for enjoy, see the Australia, was the next country. It's more beautiful than Paris, so I'm just here for enjoy, you know.
Okay. Yeah, I was in France last year, 2024.
Okay.
So this is your first time in Amsterdam, or you've been here? Sorry, in Sydney, or you've been here before?
Man, definitely do it. Like, get out there, do it, man. Like, it's I won't say culture shock. Like, some places you go to, that shit, of course, gonna be different. You know what I mean? Like, I'm well traveled. I've been to, South Korea, Philippines. A lot of places, Croatia, Sweden, Denmark. You know what I mean? So like, just to name like a couple places, but definitely just get out and do that shit, man. I feel like everywhere I've been, at least they done showed me love. Like, everywhere I done been is just like a new kind of vibe that is, giving, versus the America type vibe. And at the same time, so you get to try the different food, seeing different type of folk, whether it be women or whatever you into type shit.
Yeah. I mean, you named a lot of somewhat obscure places that aren't really high on people's list. And I feel like sometimes you have some of the best experiences in the places that aren't like the most popular, or that, you know what I'm saying? Like, brothers is always like DR, Brazil, Colombia,
Right.
DR, Brazil, or Colombia. It's like, bro. There's like 100 countries out here, bro, that you could be trying. I'm trying to do something like Poland. I'm trying to do Lithuania. You know what I mean? And I just think that brothers be having sometimes a better experience in those places that you didn't even really think of. But it'd be like you said, it'd be like a shorty that kind of like put you like, who the hell's thinking about going to Croatia? You know what I mean? Like,
Hey, I wasn't even think about going to Croatia.
Yeah.
It just kind of like happened. I'm a big Game of Thrones fan, so I know they shot a lot of that out in Croatia. So that was like only my really knowing anything about Croatia. But like, as far as like going, like even when I told folk back in the States, they were like,
where's that?
"Is that it?" Like, Croatia? Like, I ain't even
that?
never heard of that before.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
what the hell is that? Like, what the fuck? Like, so it's just like that one of them things. Like, for me, like I'm that type of person. Like, wherever the crowd going, I try to kind of defer from that and find my own little place, where I go. I know like a lot of, places like, hot spots, like you say, like your Brazils and, all that. So I feel like for me, I try to just go somewhere that I want to go.
Like you exactly something personal.
Exactly, you know what I'm saying?
You mentioned that you're 30. At what age did you start your international travel?
No, it's my first time since I'm here since 2 weeks, and yesterday we just passed a 3 day in Melbourne.
Okay, yes. Also, my first time in Sydney too. So, how are the ladies been treating you?
What?
How are the ladies treating you?
The lady?
Like the ladies, how do the women treat you?
The woman, we don't need to go to find the woman. The woman come to the man, and we do nothing. we do nothing. The girl just come.
G shit. Okay, do you think it's because you're black? Do you think it's your height?
I think because I think he's the boss. I'm black and I think he's the boss. Because there don't many black people in Ontario. In Sydney, I didn't see many black people in Sydney.
I was thinking the same thing. I went out clubbing last night, and it was the first time I saw like other black dudes, and everybody was doing really well. Like all the black guys, just like you say, the girls were coming to them or coming to us because I was just trying to observe, and yeah, man, a lot of shorties was putting it on me. I was like, hey, it is what it is. I know what to do with it. So I was getting thrown a lot of passes, but I saw the black guys in general. Was getting a lot of attention, man. Do you think you'll be back to Sydney? Or you said you got family here, right?
So yeah, I have family. I have my cousins and my big bro was here, but I'm a student in France, so I'm just here for 3 weeks, and I think I can go here. I can go here on 2 months, like 3 months.
Well, let's try this. I mean, because I was also in France, so you can speak on France also. What is it like for you as a black man in France?
About like 22, I'll say like 22, 23. 22, 23, around that age, yeah. So I think I took my first trip when I was, I think, 23 turning 24, or 22 turning 23.
Where was that?
I went to Sweden. I got an uncle who lived in Sweden, so I went to Sweden. He took me to Denmark, Netherlands. We went to Belgium, France, London.
Damn, that was a lot the first time around.
It was.
So you caught the bug, bro.
Yeah, I definitely did.
And that's drinking age. That's like when you first start drinking too. Even though in these countries the drinking age is actually younger. So that's an adjustment. In Italy, the drinking age was like 16. I had to kind of
16?
Yeah, I had to get used to that. Here it's 18. So it kind of throw me off because I be in the club and I'm seeing girls. I'm like, hey, what's up? How old are you? And I'm like, oh, whoa, you feel super uncomfortable. Like, yeah, what you mean? So but around that age, like 2021, I started feeling like, damn, bro, you give a white boy $3,000 and he go backpacking through Prague.
For sure.
You give a brother $3,000, he buys some rims.
Most definitely.
Like, what do you think about that?
I think it's just the mindset that we I guess we tend to grow up with in America. You know what I mean? Like a lot of folk, of our color, we put a lot of value on the shit that really like
don't matter.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying, to say the least. So I feel like for me, like I don't like that concept of like, you know what I'm saying, like you say, I'm gonna take these 3 bands, spending on some rims, but it's like, why you not go do something and travel and make an experience that you'll have for a lifetime?
For your lifetime.
Like, you could get them rims, you know what I'm saying, anytime you want. Them rims gonna be there, and then that's the thing about stuff like that, materialistic thing. It's always gonna be something newer and better to come out the next year or the next, you know what I'm saying?
They depreciate, whereas memories and connections and networking and experience actually appreciate. So I think when you're doing something like, say, buy rims, you're doing shit for other people.
Exactly.
Remember how you said you want to go somewhere where it's something for you.
For me.
So travel is one of those things that you do for you. Exactly. Material shit is what you do for other people.
For sure.
So yeah, man, I think the brothers have to kind of rewire themselves. So like that's the point of me doing these type of interviews is I don't want to just talk to the women because I know y'all care about the pussy way too much anyway. But I also want to talk to the brothers and let them know, bro, there's a whole world out there and we're more valuable outside of where we come from, which shouldn't surprise nobody because any product is more valuable outside of its origin. You know what I'm saying?
Black men in France, the people, they are a little bit racist. So it's more difficult to speak with the girls, they have the police, all of this shit. And to be a black man in France, it's difficult. It's about my big boy and my cousins come here because it's more easy to be a black man in another country than France.
I didn't want to say that because I didn't want to speak out of turn. I feel like I don't have enough experience. Just because I've been to Paris once doesn't mean I'm an expert. But I definitely felt all of what you were saying. Like you can kind of feel it that they don't really like you, which I thought was weird because I saw a lot of black guys in France. Like there's black guys in France, born and raised.
Yes, but if you are a black guy in France, you need to work more than the other. You need to prove you are a real man. Do something white people they don't do. So we need to do more for stay in France and prove we are not here just for chilling. We are here for work, for give all the power of you are in also the power of the black guys for. And that's all.
My grandfather always told me, in this country, a black man has to work twice as hard to be considered half as good as a white man.
Fact.
And he was talking about America. But that was his experience coming to America as a Jamaican. And that's kind of what he put in my head, is that you got to be really competitive as a black man. And just like you said, you got to prove that you are a real man. That doesn't mean that you're aggressive and then you'll fight anybody. It means that you work hard and that you're disciplined. That's what it means to be a real man, and that's what you gotta show them or prove to them, basically.
Yeah, that's real.
Any final thoughts?
I agree totally.
Everything we got in America is made somewhere else. If you go to that place where it's made, it's dirt cheap. It ain't nothing. By the time it get to us, it's marked up. You know what I'm saying? We overpaying for electric cars because of the embargo they got. They only letting Tesla make electric cars in America.
Right.
I travel, bro. You go to South Asia, the electric cars is 10 times better and half the price.
In South Korea, I noticed that. I was like, well, they got some stuff that I ain't never seen before with the electric. I'm like, boy, what?
And way cheaper.
Way
It actually makes
cheaper.
sense because their electric cars are cheaper than their combustion engine cars. With us, it's the other way around,
Right,
bro. We pay more
right.
for the electric. Come on,
Nah,
bro.
for sure, bro.
Yeah.
I feel like that's just a way to crack the code, like for just like I said, young black men traveling, man. Like just I feel like you elevate your mind, you elevate your spirit when you travel more and you just get around. So I always like say, I'm supposed to have a brother out here right now. I'm mad at your ass still, boy. So yeah, we hey, when I get back to the state, we still gonna talk. But
Nah, let him be mad at himself.
right.
Don't be mad. Just address him with love. Be like, hey man, it would have been great to have you there, but you weren't.
Fast. But
Yeah, word.
I try to preach that to any and everybody, bro. Like my uncle, he kind of like set the tone, and he moved out after college. He played ball in college, and he went overseas, never looked back. Like he come and visit like every like 5 or 6 years or so, but for the most part, like home overseas. So yeah, I just kind of follow that little blueprint, and I'm just like following that same path, and that's what I'm doing right now.
All right, one last question before we go, just to kind of bring it back on topic. The low vibration, the low hanging fruit that y'all love so much. Just tell them from your personal experience, how do women treat you generally in these other parts of the world where there's less of us?
So, for me, I think all good. That's
good?
it. Yeah.
All right, any words of inspiration you want to give to other brothers who might be interested in traveling to other parts of the world and trying different cultures?
Really, I always would love. Like I feel like it's some. I won't say different, even though like that's what it is. That's a part of it. But I feel like it's always like like love. They see you and they kind of just embrace you, like love you, just like this. I guess the black aesthetic, the black. You know what I'm saying? What we just giving it black men. You know what I'm saying? So I just feel like the vibe, the aura,
energy,
all that good stuff. It's like they see it, they feel it. You know what I'm saying? You come and you stepping, you putting it on. They just we just have that different demeanor about ourselves. You feel me? So I feel like when we coming out, when you well represented, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, you dress nice, you clean cut, you know what I mean? Like that speak a lot just to any person, you know what I'm saying? Whether it be black, white, whatever, like when you presentable and you looking nice. So I feel like they always show love. They always, you know what I'm saying, catch the eyes. And
You don't feel like they treat you like an Amazon delivery, like they seen you online, or they seen you in the catalog or something, and now you here, like now you at the front door, like thanks for.
We most traveling just foresee the other mentalities on the country for make money. So it's more easy to make money in Australia than France. That's the most important. And if I have an advice to give to the guys, just stay focused. Don't go follow girls. Stay focused where work, go to gym, study. If you are in the religion, stay with God. And I think it's a good way.
And whatever you want is gonna come to you. And I know it sounds corny, but it works. Stay focused on being good at what you do, getting better, always improving your mind, improving your body. And he also mentioned your spirituality. And I promise you, the things you want will come to you, because it sees that you are deserving. When you chase it, you're not deserving. You're trying to catch it. When you deserve it, it comes to you, right?
Right.
Bet. All right, let me get up out of here. I appreciate you taking some time, because he was the girls was he was getting the girls, so I actually pulled him from a girl. So sorry about that, but get back to what you're doing. All right, brother, man. We out here. Peace. Coming.
Nah,
you know what I'm saying?
Most definitely.
That's how I feel.
Most definitely. When I was in the Philippines, it was more like that, like women taking pictures with me and touching and rubbing.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, type vibe.
Because they don't make it to us, so they you know what I mean. A lot of these people can't come to the States,
Facts.
so they're like, damn, thanks for bringing an official, authentic black man to my
facts.
front door,
Facts.
so I could touch it, smell it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yo, what part of the Philippines you was in?
I went to Manila, and I went to a small island south of Manila called Baraka.
Yeah, see, that's how you do it, bro. You network, you exchange information, because I did Manila like 3 times, so I have like little interest in Manila the next time I go back. But I want to hear about those smaller islands that are like more beautiful and cleaner and more aesthetic, and they have a different type of women, a little bit less city-minded. So yeah, you got to exchange information, guys. Each one teach one, and we all can learn, bro. And that's what it is, man.
Hey, most
Yeah.
definitely.
All right, Matt. Damn, thanks for having you. I
Hey,
appreciate it.
you, brother.
And thanks for making the time for us. I know you got your shorty here and everything like that, so get back to that. And yeah, we out here. Peace.
Shout out Authentic Alphas. Like and subscribe.
For the boys, leave a like and leave a comment on Authentic Alphas. Hit that bell.
Shout out Authentic Alphas. Real shit.
Have a great night. Happy New Year. We'll
Happy
see you
New Year,
later.
man.
Hey, be safe.
Hey, man. I love you guys, man. Live life, brothers.